Hi, and welcome to Jazz Piano Academy's Piano Blues Workshop. I'm Gary Johnson, founder of Jazz Piano Academy. Today you'll be learning about Riff Blues. Download the free Piano Blues resource kit using the link in the description below and follow along. Please leave a comment, let me know where you're from, and feel free to ask questions in the comments or leave your favorite riff blues. Be sure to like and share this video lesson and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about piano, jazz, and blues. So riff blues. A riff blues is a 4-measure riff repeated 3 times to form a 12-bar blues. So what's a riff? Well, a riff is a short repeated musical idea. The first riff blues, the one that I'm going to use today, is shown on your page headed Riff Blues Example. It's comprised of only 3 notes of the blues scale. Here's the C blues scale. We're going to use the flat 3, E flat, the root or tonic, C, and the flat 7 or B flat. And here's the little riff. That's it. It's 2 bars long with 2 bars rest, making 4 bars total. Here it is, played 3 times over the blues changes. You can find an entire arrangement in the kit called simply Riff Blues. So here it is. Simple enough. There are many riff blues to be found in the standard jazz rep, like Duke's C-Jam Blues, Sonny Rollins' Sunny Moon for Two, Sonny Stitt's Bud's Blues. You can listen to each of these great tunes via the links below. So if you want to give riff blues more of a jazz sound, you can use a 2-note rootless voicing in the left hand. So now what's a voicing? Well, voicing refers to what notes you decide to include in a particular chord. For instance, in a 2-note rootless voicing, I'm only going to use the 3rd of the chord and the 7th. Well, here's a full C7 chord. The 2 distinguishing notes in that chord, really, are these 2, the 3rd and the 7th. When I go to the F chord, I simply slide next door to the 7th and the 3rd of the F. And when I want to use the G7 chord, I use the F, the 7th, and B, the 3rd. You'll be learning a lot more about voicings in future lessons. So here's the same riff blues played with those 2-note voicings. I'm going to play it an octave higher so I won't get in my own way. Combine that with a nice walking bass line, hopefully provided by one of your bass playing friends, and you've got a great little riff blues to perform. The fun part of riff blues is how easy it is to write your own. So just come up with a 4-bar riff idea using notes from the blues scale, and play it 3 times over the chord changes of the 12-bar blues. So you can find sample blues scales in your free resource kit. Have a look, pick out, say, the C blues scale for starters. And I'm going to try a little riff blues. I'll just make something up. How about that? Let's put that over our chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blues. They're easy to play and to compose, and they provide great tunes for the bandstand or the jam session, and you can use these as a springboard for your improv. So please leave a comment and let me know where you're from, and feel free to ask questions in the comments or leave your own favorite riff blues. Be sure to like and share this video lesson, and subscribe to my channel for more jazz blues lessons, and be sure to visit jazzpianoacademy.com. Enjoy!